Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first video that you're checking out, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, the other day, I loaded up a video of a 2019 Challenger Scatpack that belongs to my buddy Peter. He's gone through quite a bit of phases throughout his build, and it's been extremely impressive with the twin turbo setup that he's put up. Now, for those of you that haven't caught the prior videos, he put a twin turbo setup on his stock 392. And made some impressive horsepower and torque numbers on 10 pounds of boost. But the reliability was certainly a question, so he decided to put a stroker kit on there, recam it to a cam that is spec'd for forced air, and they ended up doing a 440. So the last video, he ran it on 93 octane and was able to achieve around 900 wheel horsepower and about 870 in torque. And they decided that they wanted a little bit more, so they ended up going with race fuel. I believe it's 103 octane. I'll put it up on the screen so that you guys can see. And really, what you have to keep in mind is that the boost did get bumped up, but they're not tuning it for the increased amount of pounds. What he wants is to be able to go up to the store and get 93 octane, and then if he wants, go out and purchase some race fuel, and there's a boost adjuster, and the tune will be able to handle both of them. He doesn't need to flip-flop between the tunes if he wants to run 93 or 100 plus. The car is going to be able to handle that without him actually having to do anything major. So that's really what they're doing. Ted and the team put higher octane in there and just cranked up the boost, and we're going to see what the car is capable of doing. So with that being said, guys, let's get into it.
Barely hit 15 pounds. Yeah, hit 15 and then it rear wheel. Okay. Okay, we got 1008 rear wheel, 58 pounds even. £991 of torque. At 4850. He powers early too. It's only 5850. 5,850 RPM. You got 1,008 horsepower. Again, I've done no tunings to this, so if I wanted to maximize, say we targeted 17 pounds and I want to spend some time, clean up the air fuel, find the magic timing value, we could potentially make 1100 on the same boost level. But I wanted to see what it would do, so that you could put 93 octane pump gas in this, turn the boost controller off and go drive the thing cross country, change it over to race gas, turn the boost controller on, and make, 1,000 plus rear wheel horsepower.